Today we will create a minimalist essential beginner makeup starter kit with Guerlain. Guerlain Makeup is famous for its elegant glittery packaging. Skincare lover girls, natural ingredients lover girls, this brand is for you. Hello, I'm Cutie Lucy. The first essential product is lipstick. If you are looking for a luxury bold look, Rouge, the Customizable Ultra Girl lipstick is the best option. It feels so special. You can customize your kits. But if you want a long-lasting, matte but comfortable finish, go with Kiss Tint Matte 16-inch Comfort Lightweight Luminous Matte. But if you are looking for a hydration glossy finish for casual outings, Kiss Shine Balm 95% naturally-derived ingredient lipstick is a better option for you. Now we are going to talk about concealer. If you need a high-coverage matte concealer, the Terracotta Concealer, Natural Perfection Concealer, 24-hour well, no transport is the best option. Alright, now we are moving to setting powder. You prefer a radiant loose powder, choose Parure Gold Skin Diamond Micro Powder, Micro Perfection Loose Powder, Translucency and Radiance. It has gold powder, it has diamond powder. But if you love an iconic product, beautifully packaging, adding a healthy glow, Météorites setting and finishing pearls or powder is the best option. But if you need a portable, high-coverage powder, the Parure Gold Skin Control High Perfection Matte Compact Foundation is a better option for you. Now we are moving into blush. If you are new to Guerlain's products, try on Terracotta like the sun-kissed Natural Healthy Glow Powder, 96% naturally-derived ingredients. It is a classic iconic product. But if you are looking for a luminous blush, go with Terracotta Blush, the Healthy Glow Powder Blush, 90% naturally derived ingredients. Now let's move on to mascara. If you are looking for a bold look, go for Naughty 24-hour Intense Volume and Curl Mascara. And last but certainly not least, we are going to talk about lip gloss. If you want an everyday lip balm with a soft tint, Kisskiss Glow 98% naturally derived honey tint balm is the best option. But if you have dry lips, Kisskiss Glow Wild 92% natural origin honey tint lip oil is a better option for you. After you choose lipstick, concealer, powder, blush, mascara, and lip gloss. Now we have an essential version of the Guerlain Beginner Makeup Starter Kit. So beautiful luxury makeup kit. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy's channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. If you are interested in beginner makeup kit, I make many brand kits for you. You can check out here.